Let's like do a flyby by it right here. We're gonna do a flyby by it. You can do it.
Flyby.
You're gonna do a fly right now. Do it right now. There's nobody. You're clear. Oh,
¡Dios, coño, papá! ¡Se fue volando! Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing an install on the G37. About to do some coilovers onto this jump. Got my boy Will over there helping me out and shit. Yeah. About to get into it this. So let me show y'all what we got going on so far. First thing first, we already got the top. We already got this shit unmounted or whatever. Also got the bottom one undone. Both 17 mils with another 17 mil at the bottom. 17 mil on this side and 19 mil on the other side for this little nut they got on right there. But I'll be removing this shit. I'll putting on some Bc Coilovers. Shit about to be low, boys. About to be like him. So yeah, let's see how this shit go. Alright, look, we got two 12 mils up here. I think this shit 12 mils. Yeah, two 12 mils up here holding this strut in for it to drop down, I believe. Hopefully it should just come right down after I disconnect those two. And then you probably be seeing me doing this shit. I don't know how I'm gonna do this bottom part. I'm finna show you how to do it my way. Alright. I don't know why you turned that shit on. But it should be coming out nice and easy for the most part.
damn, they order up there.
Yeah, my car, well, my G is fairly newer. It's a little well taken care of, so it's a little easier on my end. But if your car probably been out in the rain and stuff like that, it might be a little bit more rustier. Luckily for me, they kind of kept it in their garage, I believe. So it's a little to no rust. Yeah. It's only two 12 mils, and it should be good right now.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
So boom, there's gonna be a part where you guys are come and get where if you guys are installing these coilovers. These are not the true coilovers. True coilovers are basically all one, you know, whatever, one whole piece. Mine's come in two pieces, so some of you guys may get them like these. So this piece right here actually comes off of your OEM strut right here. It's gonna be attached on the right here. Basically what you're gonna want to do to get it off, because it's gonna be held on by a nut, it's just gonna end up spinning. No thing's just gonna end up spinning the whole thing. So you want to grab yourself some pliers, so you know, grip it up right there. And as you're doing that, you want to get a 14 millimeter, because that's what size it is. And you just want to start loosening it up, you know, lefty loosey, righty tighty, do your thing, and it'll come right off, right easy. So you guys, because not a lot of people explain that too much. So for you guys want to know, it should look something like that. It may have a little free play, but that's all right. There's nothing else that we can really do about that. Besides that, yeah. Oh, it's already recorded. Alright guys, so right now, I don't know, the sun's kind of in my face, but fuck it. So right now with my boy, still, we're right now basically trying to figure out this whole shit. So when you come over here, you're gonna have to bring this back piece down. I just loosen it up back there just a little bit, like really a little bit, and it ended up just dropping the whole way. I'm not even gonna have to take it off fully or anything like that. But basically you're gonna get a bushing at the top and a bushing at the bottom. The bushing from the top is gonna look like this here, right here. You know, you don't need that piece. You could just discard it, just keep it away, put it to the side with the OEM shucks. Just, you know, make sure you don't lose them, just in case you ever want to put them back on and go back to stock or whatever. But you're going, fuck, shit, man. So you're gonna want to use that bottom bushing, just the bottom bushing only, just to get it up, sit it on there right, and without it moving around, and for your safety and stuff like that. But overall, yeah, that's the progress. I mean, we almost done with it. Literally not much left. Already at the top strut, the strut in there. It's only two 12 mils at the top. Easy. I already showed you guys how to place that top mounting bracket on there, and then you just tighten it up down there, and boom. That's about it. Overall, should only take you good, like, honestly, I'll say what, like 30 minutes if you're being realistic.
Hour.
30 minutes to an hour for at least one. So you gotta think about it, that's like 4 hours in total that you need for this whole job. I'm just taking it a little longer myself because yeah, we kind of getting the hang of it and doing our own research and making sure we do everything right. But yeah. Alright, so
got you in the cut with it.
shit. So we basically got this bitch done. Just on one side though, not on the side. I doubt I'm gonna do all four today. Probably just gonna do the two rear end because motherfucking Amazon playing with me. And now bringing in my lug nuts, but boom, here we have the beautiful BC Racing Coilovers all up in that bit. My head there with a little brake cleaner, make it look a little prettier. But like, as you can see, shit looking nice. It was cool little. It was a 17 mil all the way back there. I just lowered that, just this one back here, by a little bit. And on the other side of it is a 22 mil or a 21 mil. I forgot. It's just a 20. Never mind. Let me just check. Let me check for y'all real quick, so y'all don't gotta be digging in y'all shit. It's a 19 mil, my fault. But 19 mil goes on the other end of that. Break it loose just a little bit. I give it like a good couple, like 3 Uber Douglas to break that shit. I know it's good. It's gonna drop the full way. But you do gotta take this whole bolt right here out really quick. It wasn't that hard. I ain't gonna lie. When we was putting it in, it was giving us a little difficulties, but it's because this shit wasn't fully set in there right on the top. But once I gave it, like, literally, could you not, gave it 3-4 smacks, shit literally popped right into place, like it slid right in, like OEM flush. But besides that, this is pretty much all done for the back end. Right now, I didn't adjust the height or the ride height or anything like that, or the preload. I'm letting all that rock out for right now up until the car gets settled in and all fits up nice and done and shit like that. But yeah, overall, it's not bad. It's cool, easy little fix, so you guys can see. Looks nice and pretty. Check that whole shit out. Let me get the camera real quick, get the angles for y'all. See that? Once again, thanks to my boy. You know, came in clutch with the impact. Helping me out nice. He's been helping me out this whole way too, so I appreciate that for him. Appreciate you, got you with the eats. But there you go. But yeah, pretty much shit. We basically wrapping this whole side up now. All you need is 17, 19 mils, a couple extensions, impacts. Yo, they say don't use impacts, but just use the impacts. It'll make your life way easier. I kid you not. This shit got done that easy because of it. But yeah, this is probably wrap it up for this side. I'll show you guys once we get up to the front, because we pretty much once again wrapped it up on this side already. All done. Showed you guys the basics on what to do. And yeah, then I'll show you guys once I'm up on the front. Hey yo, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I decided to just do the back, well not the front, but the front end as well. So I'm about to get started going on. Hopefully I get it done. So we about to get shit started up on this shit. From what I know, to my knowledge, we removed this piece right here, just a little connector. Disconnect this shit right there. Should pop forward, and then don't touch this piece, but you touch this right here. You gotta remove this one right here from the top right there, and that should just pop right off, but you definitely got to remove this piece. So it's 1, 2 right down there, this one right here. I'm removing this as a whole. Some people just take it off from down here, but I don't really want to try and hassle with that. If I need to, I will, but I'm gonna try to see if I can bypass that and make the shit more simple. All right. I'll get back to the shit. Alright, yo, so basically we already got done the side we was working on earlier.
Shut up, nigga, you didn't do it.
Fuck you. But look, basically my boy, he also came out here to help us out because we was kind of struggling just a little bit. But right now, so I figured out some, remember I told you guys just knock out like one or two of the things? What? So remember I told you guys probably didn't have to take off this one right here? So basically, yeah, nigga. So basically, you want to unscrew this one out because you want to do this one first and unscrew this one. Then the top one will pop out once you unscrew it from the other side because you'll bang it right out. And it'll just slide right out.
Whichever, bro, I'm going to bang it out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. All right, guys, it is currently roughly around 6, well, almost 5:30, but 6:24. We got started roughly around what, like 1:40?
Yeah, like 1 p.m.
So basically a 5-hour job, but that's really only because I had trouble with my lug nuts. They was kind of messed up. Like they were all like stripped up, I guess, from the dealership. I'm not sure, but let me show you what it should look like after you're all done. So 2 14 mils up there. This bottom one down here is a 17, no, Was it a 7? That was a 19 mil.
Yeah.
And the one back there is 17 mil. Oh yeah, by the way, it's my boy Gustavo.
What's up?
Yeah, that's my boy right there. Came through and helped me out for the last part. Kind of knocked it out a little bit quicker too.
Because I got my tools.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, we got the whole coilovers up
And
there.
you don't know what he's doing.
Everything's all fully tightened down
Oh, yeah, you
and all good. It's ready to go.
I'll be coming.
She about,
Upcoming.
yeah, you about to see us in the shop next year too, boy.
You're gonna see us with the Mazda P6, boy.
Hell yeah, that shit better be boosted.
Got boy.
Boost. But yeah, that's basically all you gotta do to get the coilovers done. I'll probably end up showing you guys a video on how to adjust them and all that later. I'm probably gonna add it up into this, but for right now I'm just trying to, you know, get them worn in and settled in before I go ahead and get an alignment and do all that dumb shit. But yeah.